off to Shweta for waking me up this early because like why? She literally called me like, I don't know, 10 times at this point. I'm actually running late, so can't fathom this. भाई मैं एक तो I sleep so late. I just overthink so much, and then waking up this early is like lag ja. I can't believe that I'm up this early. Around 5:30 I got up. फटाफट I went out. अभी 6 बजने वाला है तो 5:30 नहीं 5:40. Like I picked up her call around 5:40 and अभी 6 o'clock होने वाला तो है. I personally love this. It stays on for so long and just gives a nice tint as well. This is nice. It's like a nice, what is the shade? Brick Beauty. I'll top it up with my lip gloss. Pretty. Anyway, I'll drink my coffee, and also there was change of plans because I decided to wear this active wear. So yeah, I'll see you. I need to book Rapido. Rapido नहीं है. A successful trip to Bhivpuri via train. देखते हैं अभी कैसे जाता है, बट इट्स नाइस लुक वाइज. पसीना हो रहा है बिकॉज हवा नहीं है. हवा बारिश नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Our legs are gone. Done. It's paining so badly. Hi.
And we haven't even started track.
We have not started trek yet. हम खड़े हो गए हैं 1 घंटा ट्रेन में. So understand the suffering of our legs. क्या? Public, I don't care. And my date for the day,
The sexy one.
yes, बटर मसाला है ना. एकदम मीठा है क्या? सॉफ्ट है.
है ना थोड़ा ज़्यादा मीठा.
थोड़ा मीठा. Hi guys, here's my Maggie. It's hot. And here's my tea, the cup of the day. It is so colorful. I like it. I should do cup of the day because I have so many cups. I love it. I love ceramics. Anyway, is anybody watching Alliance? Because I have seen so many reels on it. Now I feel like I should watch it. So let me know what are your thoughts on that. Let me taste because I've not tasted this. This is the first time I've added Szechuan and mayonnaise and oregano and chili flakes. It is creamy, very creamy. I love it. It's nice. I'll watch.